G'day guys, welcome to the channel. Mark here. We're out on our dam. This is just a nice cruisy afternoon sail I thought you guys might like. Hope you like our intro of getting to the dam. I even got the gumboots out for this one. Now, you might have noticed that we have actually been modifying the tugboat behind the scenes. We've actually added a heap of lights and we've made the cab glow as well. So I have got a couple of night shots that I had filmed previously, so I will throw those in. Also, those fans wondering where Gruner is, he is inside because he cannot be trusted around RC boats. I will throw in a little clip to show you exactly why. This thing is really just nice and peaceful to just get it out and just have a sail around, eh? I wonder how the TRX6 is going to go trying to pull this out, or at least up the hill. Now that trailer that we used, I bought it second hand off a guy recently. Don't want to comment, I think he just needed the money. But it looks like he parked it in, so internet pictures can be deceiving. I didn't pay much for it, so I'm not stressed and I can fix it. But it looks like he parked it in salt water and then got it out of salt water, threw a coat of paint on it just to sell it. Love watching it hit that cross chop, eh? How's that for a sunset, guys? Beautiful. Back to the boat. How cool do those LED lights look? I think we might, oh, I just got a wet butt from splash. I think we might throw the GoPro on there for a quick little run.